How to log in to BlaBlaCar. Accessing your BlaBlaCar account is quick and easy. Here's how to log in to your iPhone. First, launch the BlaBlaCar app from your home screen. And on the welcome screen, tap on Login. If you haven't installed the BlaBlaCar app on your iPhone, do it by going to the App Store. Click on Login. Enter your registered email and password, or just click on Continue with Email, Continue with Facebook, or Continue with Apple. Then tap Login to access your BlaBlaCar account. You're now logged in and ready to book or offer rides with BlaBlaCar. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.